Pluto TV is a free, ad-supported streaming television service offering a variety of live TV channels and on-demand content. It covers categories like news, sports, entertainment, and more. To create an account on Pluto TV in 2024, follow these steps. Go to the Pluto TV website, http://pluto.com. Download the Pluto TV app on your preferred device, smart TV, mobile device, gaming console, or streaming device. If you're on the website, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. If you're using the app, navigate to the menu and select Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you'll need it to confirm your account and receive any important updates or notifications. After entering your email and password, you'll be asked to provide some additional information, such as your age, gender, and location. This helps Pluto TV tailor its content recommendations to your preferences. Next, you'll need to choose a username and display name. Your username will be used to log into your account, while your display name is what other users will see when you interact with them on the platform. Finally, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and click Create Account. Now you have successfully created a Pluto TV account. You can log in using your email and password to access the platform's content and features. You can explore the following opportunities to make money online while engaging with Pluto TV in 2024. Affiliate marketing. Promote related products or services on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel and earn a commission through affiliate marketing programs. For instance, you can review and recommend streaming devices, subscriptions, or other accessories that complement your Pluto TV experience. Blogging or vlogging. Create content related to Pluto TV, its channels, and shows. Build an audience through a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it using ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Social media influencing. Become an influencer on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok and share your experiences with Pluto TV. Collaborate with brands or services that align with your interests and audience preferences. Freelance work. If you have skills in video editing, graphic design, or content creation, offer your services to Pluto TV content creators, channels, or other streaming platforms. You can find freelance opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Participate in surveys or focus groups. Share your opinions and experiences with Pluto TV by participating in surveys or focus groups conducted by market research companies. These opportunities can help you earn extra money while providing valuable feedback to the platform. Create and sell merchandise. Design and sell Pluto TV-inspired merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or stickers, using platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Spreadshirt. Remember that making money online takes time, effort, and dedication. It's essential to create valuable content, build a genuine audience, and maintain a professional online presence to succeed in these endeavors. To start your own channel on Pluto TV in 2024, follow these steps. Research and identify your niche. Determine the type of content you want to create and the target audience you wish to cater to. This will help you create a unique and engaging channel. Develop high-quality content. Create a plan for your channel, including the type of programming, show formats, and episode schedules. Ensure your content is well-produced, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Gather necessary equipment. Invent appropriate equipment such as cameras, microphones, lighting, and editing software to produce high-quality content. Build an online presence. Create a website and social media accounts. Use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. to promote your channel and engage with your audience. Apply for a partnership with Pluto TV. Once your content is ready, visit Pluto TV's official website and look for the Partner with Us or Become a Content Partner section. Follow the application process and provide all necessary information, including your channel concept, target audience, and sample content. Network with other content creators and industry professionals. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops to connect with potential collaborators and gain valuable insights into the industry. Promote your channel. Utilize your online presence and social media platforms to promote your channel and attract viewers. Collaborate with other content creators and engage with your audience to grow your following. Monitor your channel's performance. Keep track of your channel's viewership, engagement, and feedback. Use this information to refine your content strategy and improve your channel's performance. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful channel takes time and dedication. Continuously create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and promote your channel to grow your viewership. Stay updated with Pluto TV's guidelines and requirements. As a content partner, make sure you adhere to Pluto TV's content policies and guidelines to maintain your partnership and ensure your channel's success.